Hi guys, I'm Nabil Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video we are going to learn about NanoCAD software, how to use polyline in NanoCAD software. So we are here in NanoCAD software, and first of all you opt to grid, and I use uh, polyline command in NanoCAD software. So I simply type p line here and enter, and I use this line like this. I create lines like this, and here. Okay, so if I go to this line, as you can see the all lines are selected. That's why the polyline command is used for continuous line use. That's why the polyline command is like this. Okay, if you want to use polyline command in NanoCAD, you simply type p line and enter. Okay, so the continuous line in here. So that's it, the basic tutorial about the polyline in the NanoCAD software.